Good day to all employers there in Hong Kong. My name is Annalyn Sabado. I'm 38 years old, married and with two kids, ages 12 and 17 years old. I am a Filipino who is dedicated to working and loves to take care of kids and elders. My duties that I can offer are the following: general housekeeping, which includes cleaning, washing, and ironing of clothes; cooking, wherein I can cook some Chinese dishes, Asian, and some Western foods. I am willing to learn more and can also follow instructions on recipe books or videos. I can take care of infants and newborn as well as grown kids. I can also take care of an elder, even those with illness. I can do car washing and pet care. And I have a skills and knowledge on gardening. For my future employer, I will assure you that I will work honestly, independently, and will happily serve you. That's all for my end. Thank you for hiring me.